Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to properly and safely load your six-wheeler with product to take it out onto the sales floor to merchandise your shelves. You're going to start off putting your 12 packs lengthwise on the cart so that we have more contact points than if we were to lay them lengthwise. You can see they start to tip. So on first layer you're going to go lengthwise. Second, you're going to tie in every 3. Notice how they fit nicely together. 3 this way fits 3 this way. So we just alternate as we go up. Okay, and then you can start into your next row. You're doing this to ensure that the product is sound and safe during transport, to make sure that we don't have any incidents and we don't damage product, and more importantly, we don't have injuries in the workplace, whether it be for your coworkers, yourself, or our customers. If you're pushing and you have them all straight up and down, and you're pushing it, and you have to come to a sudden stop, they start shaking, see? And then they can tip right off the front of the six-wheeler, which can cause a huge mess and cause injuries. Now we're going to show you, say you don't need that many 12 packs, but you need to add some 2 liters to your wheeler so you can make sure that you're saving yourself trips from walking out. We can show you how to do that safely as well. So we'll walk over here to our 2-liter pallet. Okay, we're going to pick cases off. You're going to lay them out the same way you did as 12 packs. Okay, like this. And as you go up, you're going to cross tie them to make sure that these are locked together so they're not straight up and down. So if you get any momentum shifting, they're not going to tip over and go flying off the cart. Okay, and with every row we go up, we're going to change direction and continue to tie in. I wouldn't go any higher than this personally, just so that I can have a straight line of sight to avoid any injuries. Little kids running out in front of us, you know, somebody comes flying around a corner. We want to make sure that we have enough time and the support to stop safely without losing product and causing an injury. Okay, in addition to that, say you need to add an extra row of 2 liters, but you don't want to go over that height. You can go ahead and flip the cart around. I have enough space for 1 more case of 2 liters to fit. So we're going to go ahead and lay them out. This one, you can go up this high, 2 straight up. That third one, you definitely need to tie this in. And you're going to have the support to tie the front back to the center so that we're not losing product. That's secure and a safe and efficient way to do it.